Hello students, and we will be discussing about headings and paragraphs in this video.
All right. So we were discussing about paragraph in the last class. Now I just want to tell you, suppose if there's a big paragraph, right? Suppose we say this is um, my house. I like it the most and want to make it so big and so on. Now, if you observe carefully, everything has come in one line. Now, suppose if I want to make a break or I want to put this line, I like it the most and all. So what will I have to do is, I have to just put another one and which is known as BR. BR stands for break. So we are breaking the sentence or we are breaking the paragraph. So this is how you can do or you can put it in the other line, right? Suppose I want to put another break over here after and. So I can put it like this here again. It is C, like this. And the biggest thing which you can observe over here is that you don't need a closing tag for BR. Okay. Now in the later videos, I will tell you that why don't we do it that way? What is the reason behind it? Right. So I wanted to focus something else today and I will be discussing about headings. Now see, whatever we have done till yesterday or till the last class, what happened was, see, whatever is looking like this is my house, right? But if I want to make a heading over here, so what is the next step which I do is, I would take head and then close it, then another H and close it, right? And you can write any heading. So you can say my home, right? So this looks like a heading, but there's one small problem. And the problem is this is of the same font size as the one which is already here, which is of the size of a paragraph. Now, what should I do over here? What we can do is you can give it the name as H1. And here also you can give the name as H1. Right. So this is the difference. See, my home. Right. Now suppose if I have to give another heading below this. So same thing, the same rule applies, H2 like this, and you say the beautiful house, right? I close it. So see, you see this size is much bigger and this is the second highest or the next font which you can see. Now I want to make another heading over here. Same thing which we will do over here. This is H3. My great happy. All right. And then we'll have to close it as usual and see. So this, see, heading 1 is this one. Heading 2 is this one. Heading 3 is this one. And if you keep on going this way, so you can do like you can make headings as you want. So I can say the best lane, maybe. That is my next heading, right? Same way, I'll put it over here. So see. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Now if you refresh and save, it is like this. Okay. So basically what we are trying to do over here is, we are trying to say the heading 1 is the largest of all. The second is this, the third is this, and the fourth is this. So this is how we give headings. It is till H6 and Today I have discussed about headings. How do you put them? Plus, I've discussed about a break in the paragraph. Now, in the next class, I will be discussing more about the elements and taking it further from there. Thank you.
Stay tuned for the next video and press on the bell icon to subscribe my channel.